I've been working on a free mini course for creating your own Blender add-ons. There'll be a link in the description once it's live. And whilst working on that, I quite literally stumbled across a little lighting alignment tip that I think's pretty awesome. Let me show you that now. So we've got a scene in front of us here. In fact, let's switch out the default cube. In good fashion, we're going to delete it. So we've got Suzanne the monkey here. I want this light. Let's say it's a spotlight or an area light, something with direction. Let's use a spotlight like so. I want it to always track our object and always face our object. Well, a quick way of doing that is to make sure your light is selected. We go to our constraints, we add a new constraint, which is a track to, and we simply track the object. This is great because what we can then do is we can move the lights into a 3-point light setup, something like so, and we know that it's always going to be facing our object. We don't have to worry about whether or not we actually have the object in the path of the light, which does take a lot of time sometimes. You end up switching the view around from the front, the side, the top, and making sure it always intersects your object. Now, I don't know if our lighting here is any good. Let's turn on rendered view and take a look. That looks pretty good to me. There's our quick tip for the day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.